Exposure to radiation is a part of everyday life. Just going outside exposes you to low level of ionizing radiation from the sun, and you can't even eat some food without exposure to radiation. But you should probably thank your lucky star that you don't live anywhere near any of these most radioactive places on the earth. Find out about all of them on the list of 10 most radioactive places on earth. People are at huge risk in Mylyusu, Kyrgyzstan. This Kyrgyzstan is literally built on nuclear waste, and so it is no surprise that the local people often get cancer and other extremely dangerous illness. No one is really doing anything to help them, and even the government doesn't seem to care. Serbian chemical combine in Seversk, Russia. Serbia is incredibly huge, so whatever goes on there stays there. It's no surprise no one really noticed just how contaminated the area around Seversk is for so long. Even the biggest Serbian river, Ob, is said to be at risk. The Soviet Union made nuclear weapons here back in the 50s. The Hanford site in Washington used to be a source of pride. During the Cold War, everyone was into everything nuclear. The Hanford site produced plutonium. Some of it was actually used in the first atomic bomb, which is hardly impressive, since we all know the devastating consequences of such weapons. The nuclear waste was buried in nearby pits. Shrouded in mystery, Mayak, Russia. Nuclear disasters have a profound impact on the environment, so they always make the headlines on a global scale, but not the one that hits this little town in the Ural Mountains. In 1957, a tank with nuclear waste exploded. The disaster was swept under the rug and local people still live there. Perko River of the Church Rock Uranium Mill, Yanyam. Church Rock was home to a huge reserve of uranium, so naturally, the United Nuclear Corporation built a mine there. At some point, the waste spilled into the Perko River. The Navajo people relied heavily on the river. There have been efforts to clean it up, but most of the damage is irreversible. Sellafield, UK pollutes the Irish Sea. Great Britain also had its own nuclear disaster, and it also happened in 1957. Just like the one in Mayak, there was a fire that went out for 3 days before it was actually put out. People weren't evacuated, and only precaution they took was avoiding milk for a month. Why does no one care about the coast in Somalia? The remoteness of Somalia makes its coast a perfect illegal dumping site. The country has so many political turmoil that it cannot control what goes on its water on top of everything else. The effects of the fragile marine ecosystem on the coastal population of Somalians are horrifying. Everybody knows what happened in Chernobyl, Ukraine. Thanks to HBO's excellent show Chernobyl, everyone knows exactly what had happened back in 1986. Easily the most dramatic of all nuclear disasters, the nuclear reactor exploded and the consequences of radiation were felt throughout half of Europe. Today it is a popular tourist destination even though it is still contaminated. Semipalatinsk test site, Kazakhstan is also known as the Polygon. Semipalatinsk test site was the #1 testing site in the Soviet Union. They dropped 456 bombs there. People who live there still remember the notorious mushroom clouds. Unlike the Soviet Union, Kazakhstan is not into nuclear weapons. They called for observation of an international day against nuclear tests. Fukushima, Japan is the most radioactive place on earth. Fukushima is the most radioactive place on earth. A tsunami led to reactors melting at the Fukushima nuclear power plant. Even though it's been 9 years, it doesn't mean the disaster is behind us. The Japanese government is actually thinking about dumping radioactive water in the Pacific. When something at the nuclear power plant goes wrong, it really goes wrong, resulting in some of the most radioactive places on earth. Some radioactive places are world famous and become tourist destinations, but some were swept under the rug. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you next video. Until then, bye.